Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty from the xking.com hit you with another video. In today's video, we'll talk about how to write an ebook super fast. I'm talking about in no time, maybe less than a day. But the first part of the video is why you need an ebook anyway. I think everybody who wants to have an online business need an ebook. Ebook does three things. Ebook is something to give away for free. It stays for the email address. Number two, it's something you can make money. Just an asset that you make it one time and you can make money over and over and over again. Your own product. You can put on Amazon Kindle and just let it sit up there, and when somebody browses and buys it, you make money. You know, and Amazon gets a cut and you get a cut. So you do the work one time, it can pay you over and over and over again. You know, and it's something. You know, it's something that you can sell over and over and over again without even doing no more work. You do the work one time and you're done. And the third reason to have an ebook, it makes you sound like you're more authority in your niche. It makes you feel, you know, you've done a lot of things. I wrote 2 or 3 books, and you can present yourself as a published author because you publish books on Kindle. So that does help you with authority. So that's 3 ways. That's 3 reasons why you need an ebook. Now, how to rank it? How to get one written fast. Now I'm gonna tell you a secret about it that no one talks about. You need a blog first, okay? If you have an ebook, the best thing to have is a blog as well, because you can sell your book on the blog. But I'm gonna go to whether I have a blog with the blog. With the blog, what you could do is a couple things. You could use your old blog post. Okay, so go to your old blog post and pick a title for a book. You can use Google Docs for your ebook. So you gotta pay Microsoft Word. You can save it as a PDF, upload it on Amazon, whatever. You can use your old blog post as content for your ebook. So you go to your past blog posts, copy and paste or change up a little bit. And if there are big articles, that could be 1 page of your ebook. Create a table of contents, and that could be your blog title. You know, since it's your content, it's not copyrighted, it's yours. So that's one way of doing it. Okay, so let's say you just started a blog and you don't have no new blog posts. What you could do is write a blog post like you normally do, and take that same blog post and put it in a Google Doc or Microsoft Word spreadsheet or the Word document, Microsoft Word. So you can just copy and paste your work and put on Microsoft or put on Google Docs, and that's your first chapter of your ebook. So you can do it that way as well. So you're doing one piece of content is going out in 2 different places. So you're not really writing a book. You're pretty much writing a blog post, and then you take that blog post and put it in the ebook. That's how you could do it. Now the third way of doing it is to hire writers to write blog posts for you, and you put that paid content on your blog, also put it on your ebook as well. So there's 3 ways of doing it. Use your old content, make new content, blog content in the ebook, or pay writers. I use Iwriter.com to get cheap articles written, maybe $25 for a decent article. You gotta look through it and make some little bit of changes here and there, but you know, you can write an ebook for under $200 if you want to pay it. Now, if you don't have a blog, you gotta go route 3 and write the content yourself, or hire a writer to write content for you, and you write it just a 2,000, 3,000 word article, and that could be a chapter in the book. It don't gotta be a really big book. It could be 8, 9 chapters, whatever. Just you have to create a table of contents. Now, here's the trick with this. That's why you need a blog, okay? If you want to get a blog, below the video, I'll link to Bluehost. You will get a free domain. If you open an account on Bluehost, get a blog. I'm going to tell you why you need a blog. Then I'm going to tell you the smart way of doing this. And I didn't do this myself, I don't do it. What you could do, we all know that the more ebooks you have, the more money you make, okay? Let's keep that out. The more content you have, the more money you make. If I got 1,000 videos on YouTube compared to your 10, who will make more money? I probably will have so many videos getting views each and every day. So the more ebooks you have, the more money you make. What you could do, if this requires a blog, is when you write new content for your blog or pay for new content, what you could do is take that content and write a 10 chapter book with that content. So 10 chapters could be 10 blog posts. Okay, so you could take 10 articles, you could write 5 or get paid to write 5, and just take all 10 articles, put it all in one chapter apiece, create a table of contents. Table of contents is the title of the blog post, and create an ebook just like that. You could pay someone for Fiverr for $5 to make you a cover, and you can have ebook after ebook after ebook uploaded to Amazon. So that's another way that you can write an ebook fast, and you can also, write new. Because let's say you don't have an ebook, and you don't want to sit there and write blog posts and write an ebook. Well, do both. Right? Use your blog content for your ebook. That's the easy way of doing it. That's the easiest way of doing it. That's the easiest way of you're not wasting your time running a blog, running an ebook. Just use your old content. Use your newest content that you're writing today or tomorrow. Just put that on a Word document. Give it a table of contents. Give the blog title is your chapter of your book, and you can create ebooks easy. The more ebooks you have on Amazon, and what I would do for your blog is to create a page, like a top page. You have ebooks, home ebooks, whatever. Have your categories. One category could be ebooks, and it'll list. And you can copy and paste. You can list all your ebooks that you've written, all up there, and you could sell them. You could link it to Amazon. They could buy the ebook. You get a lot of traffic to your site. So, that's how you write an ebook super fast. I'm talking about really fast. You can either write the content yourself, which is cool. You can hire a writer, or use your old blog content, or use your newest ones that you're writing now. So I'll use like if I do a blog post tomorrow, I said, well, I'm gonna write this blog post tomorrow, make it long, decent size, and I'm gonna make this to my ebook. So that's the two birds with one stone. Okay, so that's how you write ebooks super fast. It's not hard to do. It's very easy. Use your blog content. It's about having the blog is having the blog is a big deal. Having a blog is a big deal because you can do so many things with it. You can use your blog post to write ebooks. You use your blog post to do videos. You can write a blog post and then you can do a video about that blog post. See, and the vice versa. Use your video for a blog post and use the blog post for a video. You see, and you want to take it a step further, you could start a podcast, and you can use your old blog content. You can use maybe 3 or 4 blog posts that you've written, and you can talk about your blog posts and start a podcast. So use one piece of content could go into an ebook, go into a video, and go into a podcast, and go to a blog, and you can spread that across social media. So that one piece of content is crucial. That's why you have to, know what you're doing and how you're going to spread your message around. So, yeah, that's it for my video. My eyes have swollen because the allergies are just killing me this year. But that's the end of my video. That's how you write an ebook super duper fast without even breaking a sweat. And the benefits of having the ebook, how easy it is to write it, and you can use your content you have now to write your book. And it's like cranking out ebooks and putting it on Kindle, and you can promote it on your blog as well. So that's it for my video. Top from the xking.com. I'm gonna see you next time.